Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing the Harding Performance AFM Delete Valley cover. When you get it, it'll look just like this. It's going to have the PCV housing already installed. It's going to have the O-ring for the oil pressure sensor adapter and all 8 O-rings for the AFM block-offs already installed. We've already gone ahead and removed our PCV baffle from our original valley cover by cutting the circuit board for the AFM solenoids. So we've got that already. We've saved the bolts for that. It's also going to come with all the titanium bolts for mounting the plate and your oil pressure sensor housing and your DI fuel rail crossover. We've also removed the factory gasket, which is going to transfer over to the new one. We're just going to slide the O-ring for the baffle into the new cover. I'm going to use blue Loctite on the bolts for the PCV baffle. I'm going to install the gasket. Loosely lay the gasket in there first before you go around pushing it all the way, and that'll prevent you from stretching it and having extra gasket material before you reach the end of it. I'm just going to loosely install the DI fuel rail crossover bolt so I don't lose that. Now it's ready to go in the car. So now we're going to install the cover under the car. Make sure that all 8 of the AFM Delete block-off O-rings are in place. Make sure the oil pressure sensor O-ring is in place. Install the oil pressure sensor housing. Torque the valley cover bolts to 11 pound-feet on the first pass. And then 22 pound-feet on the second pass. Now install the DI pump. And torque the DI pump to 18 pound-feet. Install the oil pressure sensor. Next, we're going to install the PCV valve, transferred over from the original valley cover. If you don't have the correct hex for that large 12-point, I found that a lot of half-inch drive extensions fit right in there. Drive that in.